Can Hisense TV connect to Bluetooth speaker? Yes, Hisense Smart TVs can connect to Bluetooth speakers, allowing users to enhance their audio experience by pairing the TV with wireless soundbars, speakers, or headphones. However, Bluetooth functionality depends on the model and operating system of the TV. Most Hisense Android TV, Google TV, Roku TV, Fire TV, and VEDE OS models support Bluetooth for audio output, but some basic models may only support Bluetooth for remote controls and not for external audio devices. 1. Checking Bluetooth compatibility on Hisense TV. Before attempting to connect a Bluetooth speaker, confirm if your Hisense TV supports Bluetooth audio output, go to Settings, then Sound, then Bluetooth audio output on Android TV and Google TV. Check the TV manual or specifications for Bluetooth audio support. Look for Bluetooth options under Settings, then Network or Devices. If Bluetooth settings are missing, the TV might not support external Bluetooth audio natively. If your TV does not support Bluetooth speakers, you can still use a Bluetooth transmitter to enable wireless audio output. 2. How to connect a Hisense TV to a Bluetooth speaker. The pairing process may differ depending on the TV's operating system. For Hisense Android TV and Google TV, turn on your Bluetooth speaker and set it to pairing mode. On the Hisense TV, go to Settings, then Remotes and Accessories, then Bluetooth. Select Add a Device and wait for your speaker to appear. Choose the Bluetooth speaker from the list and confirm pairing. Once connected, the TV audio will be routed through the speaker. For Hisense Roku TV, download the Roku mobile app on your smartphone. Connect your Bluetooth speaker to your phone. Enable private listening mode in the Roku app to play TV sound through Bluetooth. For Hisense VEDE OS and Fire TV models, turn on your Bluetooth speaker and enable pairing mode. Navigate to Settings, then Sound. Then Bluetooth audio devices on the TV. Select Scan for Devices and choose your Bluetooth speaker. Confirm the connection and the TV sound will play through the speaker. 3. Troubleshooting Bluetooth connection issues. If your Hisense TV is not connecting to a Bluetooth speaker, try these solutions. Ensure the TV supports Bluetooth audio output, not just Bluetooth remote controls. Update the TV's firmware by going to Settings, then System, then Software Update. Move the speaker closer to the TV to ensure a strong connection. Restart both the TV and Bluetooth speaker, then retry pairing. Unpair other Bluetooth devices to prevent interference. Most Hisense Smart TVs can connect to Bluetooth speakers, but the availability of Bluetooth audio output depends on the model and OS. If the TV lacks native support, using a Bluetooth transmitter or external audio system is a great alternative for wireless sound connectivity.